Hello children, I am teaching mathematics class 7th chapter 2 lesson name is fraction and decimals. In this chapter we are going to learn about fraction. So let us see what is fraction. See one circle, this is the circle if the circle is cut into two parts. We say circle made as two parts. Now each of the circle part is called half. Half means 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is a fraction. A fraction is any part of a group, number or whole is called fraction. So every fraction is a two values. See one example 1 by 2. So 1 is top number or top value, 2 is bottom number or bottom value. So top value 1 is called numerator and bottom value 2 is called denominator. So let's see, next one is types of fraction. There are three types of fraction. First one is proper fraction. The proper fraction means the numerator is less than the denominator is called proper fraction. See example 1 by 2. See one more example 1 by 4, 2 by 3, 7 by 10. These are all example to proper fraction. So next one is improper fraction. Improper fraction means the numerator is larger than or equal to the denominator is called improper fraction. See example 5 by 2, 4 by 4, 5 by 3 and 7 by 4. These are all example to improper fraction. So next one is mixed fraction. A number written as a whole number with a proper fraction is called mixed number or mixed fraction. Say example 2 into 1 by 2, 2 into 2 by 3, 2 into 3 by 4. These are all example to mixed fraction. So next one is adding of fraction. To adding a fraction, we are following three simple steps. First one is step 1, make sure that bottom number means denominator are the same. So next one is step 2, add the top number means the numerator, put that answer over the denominator. Step 3, simplify the fraction if needed. See one example, adding a fraction. Adding a fraction with like denominator. See example 1 by 7 plus 3 by 7. First add the numerator 1 plus 3. Then denominator is unchanged. So denominator you as it is write. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, 4 by 7. So 4 by 7 is a answer. So next one is adding fraction with unlike denominator. Say example 1 by 8 plus 2 by 3. Rewrite with common denominator. See 3 into 1, 3 into 8 plus 2 by 3 into 8 into 8. So 3 into 1, 3, 3 8s are 24 plus 2 into 8, 2 8s are 16, 3 8s are 24. So then add the fraction. So add the numerator. 3 plus 16, 3 plus 16, 19, 19 divided by 24. So next one is multiplying fraction. The three steps of multiplying fractions. See one example 2 by 6 into 9 by 16. Step 1, multiplying the top number. Which are the top number? 2 into 9. 2 9s are 18. Step 2, multiply the bottom number. Which are the bottom number? 6 into 16. 16 6 are 96. Next step 3, simplify the fraction. 18 divided by 96. Divide by 3. 3 6 are 18. 332 is 96. Divide by 2. Again you simplify. Divide by 2. 2 3 is 6. 2 6 is 32. So see one more example. 2 by 5 into 3 by 4. So multiply the top number. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 2 3 is 6. Multiply the denominator. 5 4 is 20. So reduce the fraction if necessary. So 2 3 is 6. 2 10 is 20. So next one is dividing the fraction. See example, 4 by 5 divided by 2 by 3. Invert the fraction that you are dividing by. So 4 by 5 into 2 by 3 reciprocal of 3 by 2. So 4 by 5 into 3 by 2. Then you multiply the numerator. 4 into 2, 4 3 is 12. Then multiply by denominator. 5 into 2, 5 2 is 10. So answer is 12 divided by 10. So again you simplify. Again you simplify 12 divided by 10. 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12. So this answer again you simplify. 5 1s are 5, remaining one put numerator place. So next see one more example. 2 by 5 divided by 2 by 3 is equal to 2 by 5 into reciprocal of 2 by 3 is equal to 3 by 2 is equal to 2 into 3, 5 into 3, then multiply 2, 3 is 6, 5 2 is 10 is equal to 2 3 is 6, 2 5 is 10. See one more example. 4 by 7 divided by 2 is equal to 4 by 7 into 2. The 2 reciprocal is 1 by 2 is equal to, then multiply numerator and denominator. 4 into 1 and 7 into 2. 4 1s are 4, 7 2s are 14. So answer is 2 by 7. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14.